Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about the Unit 5, Session 2, our influence on the natural environment. First is the introduction. Life on the planet Earth is possible because of natural resources. We are because of the natural environment. Ever since the life has organized on the earth, we have been consuming and using natural resources. Or shall we say, we have been abusing our natural resources. In this session, we shall talk about how we humans have been using our natural resources and how this has influenced our natural environment. First, human impact of natural environment. The first factor is the population explosion. The population of the planet has increased multifold in the past century as with the development of medical science. And the quality of life has improved. All these have resulted in the increase of population at explosive rate across the planet. With the increase in population, the abuse of natural resource has also started. First is the more consumption of land. More population means more land required for living. Second is the more forest being cut. More population means more furniture required, hence more tree and forest are being cut for this timber and wood requirement. Third is more production of carbon dioxide. More people means more consumption of oxygen from the air for inhalation, and more production means carbon dioxide. All this means we require more tree to absorb this increased production of CO2, but we have reducing the forest cover so much. And then is the over exploitation of natural resources. More population means more fuel required, and this has led to more use of natural resources such as natural oil, petroleum. These are non-renewable natural resources at such fast rate of consumption. Soon our planet will run out of these. We will be left to die with no other choice. Second is the pollution. Pollution is the main factor. We have read how the increase in population is indirectly leading the air pollution. There are many ways we human beings are destroying our natural environment by polluting it. The first may be more waste production. Human life has learned newer way of living, such as nowadays we use the toothpaste for the brushing of our teeth. While the toothpaste is in a tube, is also come with a packing that is no use. Since 99% of people of the earth use toothpaste, there is huge production of toothpaste boxes with just a waste while just the tube are sufficient. Similarly, our modern lifestyle produce many more type of waste which are unnecessary causing a problem for our environment. Second is the fuel uses. In modern life, we heavily dependent on the vehicles like car, buses, airplane. All type of automobiles use petrol, diesel and natural gases and other fuels. Usage of these fuels result in the many harmful things like smoke and other harmful particles in the air. Next is the poor waste management. This is the most important factor in today's era. Even though they have the significant rise in the production of waste, we have yet not developed efficient way of managing the waste. Waste is often left in the open or thrown into river. Waste thrown in the river is so harmful to the water quality and for the organism living in the water. These days, ton of waste, ton of e-waste being produced such as old smartphone, electronic devices, computer, laptops and other equipments. When thrown in open, they also cause different hazards to the health and destroy the natural environment around us. Last is the global warming. As you know, the global warming refers to the increase of Earth's average temperature all across the globe because of our lifestyle. Global warming has been attributed as the most significant cause that has impacted our environment. We have read that increase of population is the increase in the CO2 level. There are some other reasons also behind CO2 increase such as deforestation and fossil fuel. Increased CO2 has impacted the ozone layer around the earth. The greenhouse effect is the warming of earth's surface and lower atmosphere caused by the substances such as carbon dioxide and water vapors. Increased CO2 will damage the ozone layer that result to rise the temperature across the globe. Next is illegal mining. Mining refers to the extraction of non-renewable resources like minerals and metal from the earth. Our earth has the source of many non-renewable sources such as minerals, matter and so on. These non-renewable resources have proven to very useful for making. Magnesium is important for the production of low-cost steel. Mining has been used for the ages to extract material from the earth. In modern time, however, the government either do it themselves or give the license for the mining. All this is done to preserve the earth in best possible way. Since mining give you some very precious metal, many people and organizations conduct mining illegally. Illegal mining not only destroy the ecosystem there but also dangerous for the populations. The major effect of illegal mining is loss of habitat, causes pollution, disturb water level and climate changes. This is the completion of session 2. The checkpoint of session 2 we will discuss tomorrow.